Jason from Lockin Technology here at PepCom, and we're going to talk about a vein recognition lock, which is pretty cool. We in the security industry, we know vein recognition, we know smart locks. We don't know if there's one for the consumer market so readily available. So let's check it out.
Yeah, there definitely is. We actually already sell this on Amazon and on Lockin.com, so you can already access this right now. It has the palm vein or the finger vein and Face ID. So it also has a video doorbell function, so the camera's right here. You're on the app, you can see all of the different footage, you can check on package deliveries, you can see live who's at your door. So it's a video doorbell and a smart lock combined with the palm vein recognition. The new thing that we're rolling out at CES 2026 is our wireless charging. So this is the AuraCharge transmitter. It can be wall mounted or it'll be on a tabletop, and this is plugged into the wall. So of course it's much easier to have this plugged into the wall than your lock on your door. So within a 4-meter range, this just needs direct line of sight, and it uses infrared light beams. Completely invisible to the eye, completely eye safe for the whole family. And as long as this is on, your lock is always going to be charged. You never have to unplug it, plug it into a USB charger. You never have to worry about solar if you're somewhere cloudy. So you just basically never have to worry about your lock dying.
Interesting. So I guess in the event of a power loss, you probably have, how many hours of charge?
So especially on the Vino Pro, you're going to have even more, because you can see on the new version, on this higher security Mortise lock, which will be available in the US, but this has to be professionally installed. This is the Mortise lock.
We're going to the professional installer, so let's
check it out. So this is going to be a pocket lock. So this one is a little more expensive, but it has AI features, and it has all of the similar, it's going to work with the, there we go. It has all of the same features in terms of triple biometric security, how it can be unlocked. It works with the AuraCharge, but also it has an AI companion that we just released this year. And so it chronicles everything that it's picking up on the camera. So on the outdoor camera, if a package was delivered and the next day you can't find it, you can do smart keyword search. So it voice searches for package yesterday, and it'll pull up exactly what you're looking for because it's all been chronicled with AI. Also, it can recognize different profiles, so for different family members, if your child is at the door, or if they get outside, or if you have an elderly family member, anything like that, you can set it up to be able to give you alerts as needed. And you can also, it's also learns how you want to interact with delivery drivers and different things, tell them where to put the package. And so basically the AuraCharge allows all of these AI features to work consistently, because that requires a lot of power between the dual cameras. You have a camera on the inside and the outside, so you can turn off the inside camera, of course, for security. See how it closes this little camera here? But you can come up to the door and interact with who's outside, and they can see you as well. If you don't want them to see you, you can have a little AI avatar. But all of this requires so much power. Yet, even if this is blocked, it works for about a week. Even the backup battery is really solid. If you are ever out of power longer than that, very unlikely, it goes into power saving mode. So you're still able to lock and unlock, use all the features, but the camera wouldn't work the entire time.
So when will this be available?
This will be,
I guess it's a professional channel.
Yeah, so this will be available a little bit later in the year, around July. This one, the Vino Pro Wireless, will be available March or April on Amazon and Lockin online, and we'll have.
Or it's going to be expanded to all the lock.
Exactly. Yeah, so you can see we have our more entry-level price point locks here. So the Vino Go and the Vino Plus. The Vino Go has all of the smart lock features without the video doorbell feature. So it doesn't have as much tech in there that's storing the battery. The battery lasts a long time. AuraCharge will work great with that at some point as well. But right now we're just rolling it out with our best-selling US smart lock, the Vino Pro Wireless, and then the V7 Max. But yeah, eventually, hopefully it'll be available in the full line.
Thanks, Hannah.
Yeah, thank you.